Hey, you know that new Call of Duty just dropped today? Oh, the new one just dropped? Yeah, man, I'm about to hop on it right now. Don't you got like 3 videos to edit though? What videos? This video? Come on, man, you like a month behind. Clients want their videos, man. Come on. We ain't gonna never make no money in here. Hey, y'all, have it, y'all. Man, it's taking me a while to get to this point. Because from the beginning, my computer setup was terrible. I had my dining room table as my PC setup. It looked nice. I turned it into a decent setup, but over time I don't think it really looked that good. So it took me a while to get to this point, and I absolutely love the setup that I have now. So this video is basically just a tour of or a breakdown of everything I done did over the past few months to get to this point. And now that you can see, if you've seen in my previous videos, you see me rebuild this whole gaming setup right here. And on the left side of me later in the video, you will see my next build. Well, it was already a build, but I'm turning that section into a video editing build. So we'll get to that later. But right here, this has to be, I love this game. Star Wars Battlefield Front 2, it came out, I want to say 5-6 years ago, and I still love to play it. I feel like the action and the shooting on this game is so much fun that I don't think it will ever get old. I hope they come out later with another game like this. So we'll see. Even though I die a lot in it, I die a lot in every shooting game, but it's just fun to play. And over the time, my PC, I recently learned that I had my graphics card in the wrong spot. So I had it in the wrong PCI slot, so I moved it up. And now the graphics on my whole computer is just amazing right now. And right here you can see this is my new workbench. So in another previous video, you probably seen my whole workbench was my old computer setup table, but it turned into my workbench. So then I went to IKEA and I bought this beautiful thing that I've seen somebody else use on YouTube. And this right here just controls my OCD of wanting to have everything in place, because I have a serious case of OCD and wanting to have everything in place. So having this be able to put all my tablets and cameras and bags and everything on it was just great for me. So over the time, it took me a while to get to this point, and I love the setup I do. And these guys right here, Jan and Andres, I watch their videos all the time, and they're the ones who really motivated me to record my setup, because I didn't ever want to record it, but I said I have the perfect setup, and I have my friends, they tell me, hey, you got so much stuff, man, you just going to give it a try. And over the time, I just been easing myself into it and just enjoying the process of creating these videos, creating the content that a lot of people that seem to enjoy. And right here, this is my next project. As of right now, I'm just using my laptop as my PC, but I do plan on building a mini ITX, but I'm waiting for Black Friday. I'm not gonna lie, I'm waiting for Black Friday, and it will be coming.